Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Edgar Rafondani from Bongo Forex. As you all know that Bongo Forex is educational platform for all traders who want to learn Forex and trade stock markets as well, commodities as well, plus bonds. We are going to focus today on the Forex market plus commodities to provide you with a proper educational overview of a weekly analysis and a weekly focus. Now remember guys, this is not a financial providing service, either is not a signal providing service. So this is sorry guys, but I think you've noticed that I've been watching that guy who bought the Rolls Royce. Yeah, I want to buy that car one day. I hope I'm gonna buy it. But anyways guys, remember guys, this is just educational purpose video. Now let's run through our technical analysis for this coming week. Starting with the dollar currency index, we have seen that the dollar has come up to these levels of 96.01. Now further expectation for this coming week, we see the price to reverse back to these levels of 95.00 or a further big short of 94.53. now having said that, remember that dollar currency index is the mother of all currency pairs. If that's gonna happen, let's see what's gonna happen for EURUSD. This is a chart for EURUSD and this is gonna be our second analysis. Now if the price is gonna go down, expect the price for EURUSD to go up. Why? Because EURUSD is going to depreciate and the USD is going to depreciate and the euro is going to appreciate eventually. Guys, remember it's necessary to know that, because without knowing that, you lack the proper projection of the market movement. You be kind of player who just guess on things, don't have any fundamentals in your head. You just look at the technical analysis. I just say that technical analysis does not contribute much to your trading success, but fundamental analysis does. Now from the standing point of view, the EURUSD gives me a very good upward trend support level here, which has already reversed here, and we're seeing the green bar coming in. This is a positive news for us and a positive outlook for the coming week, since it shows how it respects this significant level. Now my projection for the coming week, I expect the price to reverse back here and to come to this target of 1.59 or a further big long of 1.179. now for me, I'll open two contracts here. First of contracts to come here, which will be my first profit take, and my second profit take will be at 1.79. yes, jumping to USD Canadian dollar, we see this pair as just been quite a strong one for the last week. Now the price has come to these key significant levels. Now it's reversing as well. Now remember, currency dollar index is dropping fast, is weak. Now the weakness in currency in dollar currency provide us a great opportunities of shorting USD CAD for the coming week. Now my target for the coming week will be drop short into these levels here and further short to these levels here. Let's jump to GBPUSD as well. I'm gonna go long for the coming week with a target of 1.31461. my second take profit will be at 1.31975, and my last take profit is gonna be 1.32909. moving on to USD Japanese yen, I expect a price to come and go up to these levels of 1.3013 and a further retracement to back to these levels of 111.10 or big short of 111.741. why? Because there's a key significant resistance levels here, and further weakness of the dollar currency index gives me a good bias for the coming week. Now for oil, the commodity of our choice for this coming week, it has been a really weak week for oil so far. As you can see, there's a massive drop in oil, but my expectation is for this week there's appreciation and a correction of the US oil. Now the price might come to these levels of 7.04, where it's gonna face a massive strong resistance, but my expectation is gonna break out of that, and you see price coming back to this level 72.41 or further big long of 76.00. Oil as well is seven of choice for many investors and investment banks out there. Morgan Stanley last 2 weeks expressed their feelings on gold. That is a 7 for the coming week, and no, for the coming year. Sorry, for the coming year, and they expect that due to depreciation on deflation of the US economy plus emerging markets, most investors are going to run to these, and it's going to make a massive appreciations to the levels for 1,357.52 next year. Yes, EURUSD. My bias for this coming week is going long. Why? Because of USD strength, probably for this coming week. Another one quickly is EURUSD, which is this USD GBPAUD. There's a massive gap here to take opportunity. I suspect that the price for the coming week might either go up a little bit but come down to these levels of 1.73733, and that could be a really good risk reward ratio to trade, because if you look here, this is a risk reward of more than 2, should be more than 2, which is quite decent. Let me squeeze that one to its previous highs. So it's 3.97, it's almost 4 risk reward, guys. This is huge. So you can open almost 4 contracts here and make a really good return. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for your support. I'm really sick, that's why I tried to make this video really short for this week. I'm really sick. I damaged my left knee ligaments. I torn them apart and I cannot walk. I'm using sticks right now. So if you come across me on the road, just spare me, guys. Don't make fun of me. I know that. Because most of you guys like make fun of me sometimes, but please just spare me this week and the next week, because I can't walk. The reason for that is because I damaged my ligaments during a football game yesterday, Saturday, but we won 5-1. Good job, lads. The lads have been playing and training with for a couple months now. They're really good players. Anyways, that's a long story I don't want to talk about. But anyway, guys, just support us on a Instagram page called Bongo Forex. We have 702 followers right now, and we are targeting 20 to 10,000 followers before the end of this month, for the end of this year. Please, guys, just give us a massive shout out, massive support. We want to be the best trading educational providers to start with in East Africa, and then we're gonna expand to the world. But my main focus is in East Africa, because I know there's a lot of hungry people who want to be successful in trading, but they do not have a very good education and mentoring support. So please comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer you back quickly and imminently. So thank you, guys, and have a great week ahead. Cheers, peace, bye.